Imagine knowing exactly what your competitors are doing, what's working for them, and where the untapped opportunities are, all in a matter of minutes. Forget manual spreadsheets and endless Google searches. In this video, I'm going to show you how Gemini AI can be your secret weapon for competitive market research, giving you an unfair advantage that could be the difference between thriving and just surviving in today's market. Hey, it's Alicia here. Welcome back to the channel where we help small businesses like yours thrive in today's fast-paced world. Right now, we're going to dive into something absolutely crucial for your success, market research, but not the old, time-consuming, headache-inducing market research that you might be used to. We're talking about the AI market research hack that could change everything for your business. Let's be honest, market research can feel like a huge burden, especially when you're running a small business. You're spending countless hours drowning in spreadsheets, lost in a sea of data, and still unsure if you're even looking at the right things. Trying to figure out what your competitors are doing, what trends are emerging, and what hidden opportunities there are, it's enough to make your head spin. And if you've ever considered hiring expensive market research firms or subscribing to complicated tools, you know that they can break the bank. All that time and money often for reports that are too vague or outdated by the time you get them. But what if I told you there is a better way? A way that's faster, cheaper, and gives you deeper insights than you ever thought possible. I'm about to show you the real game changer, Gemini AI. You will not believe what it can do. Now, I just want to let you know that I'm using the paid version of Google Gemini, and for this demo, I'm going to be using 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental with Apps model. All right, so we're going to go through 6 steps to conduct killer market research. So first, we need to know who our competitors are. Let's say you run a boutique fitness studio in Seattle, Washington. Instead of searching Google and Yelp, we're going to ask Gemini AI. I'm going to type in, who are the top 3 competitors in the boutique fitness studio market in Seattle, Washington, and briefly explain what makes them stand out in the market. And we'll see what it comes up with. And boom, we instantly see that it's come up with a whole bunch of information here. We've got the top 3 boutique fitness studios here, and we've got insights on what makes them successful. So SoulCycle is a studio that stands out for its immersive and motivational indoor cycling experience. Awesome. So it has a candlelit, high energy type of ambiance. Then we see Shred differentiates itself with high intensity interval training classes. Very cool. They emphasize instructor-led designs to burn calories, etc. And then Orange Theory has the heart rate monitor, interval training. Very, very interesting insights we've got here. Now, if the results aren't specific enough, you can actually refine the prompt even more than that. So let's say in our case, we wanted to focus on only yoga and Pilates studios. We could have asked it to just focus the searches on those types of studios. Okay, so now we've got our top competitors, but just knowing our competitors isn't enough. Now we need to understand what they're offering that actually makes them so successful. In step 2, we're going to actually dissect their product and service offerings. So let's dive deeper into what our competitors are actually offering. Let's pick Shred 415 as our example. All right, so our prompt will be analyze the product service offerings of Shred 415. What are their key features, class, types, pricing, and target audience? And we'll see what it comes up with. See how quickly Gemini actually breaks down the offering? Amazing. So we can see their focus on, high intensity interval type of workouts, total body workouts, customizable intensity. That's great. They've even got childcare included in here. They've got complimentary lockers and towel service, small group setting. Excellent. We could see their class types, arms and abs, theme classes, different themes that they have. We've got the pricing packages here. They've got a trial offer, membership options, target audience information is here. Really great insights. So this gives us valuable information about their strengths and their target customer, but product is just one piece of the puzzle. How are they actually marketing? How are they attracting their customers? Step 3 is crucial. We're going to uncover their marketing secrets, and you can bet that there's some learnings in there for your business. Let's go. To truly understand our competitors, we need to understand their marketing strategies. So let's ask Gemini another question. What are the marketing strategies used by Shred 415 to reach their target audience. Focus on their online presence, social media, and content marketing. All right, so we're going to see what it comes up with. And boom, just like that, all of this information right at our fingertips. Now, according to Gemini, they've got a pretty good online presence. Looks like their website's pretty user-friendly, got a studio locators, class schedules, and bookings. They have a social media presence. They've got a strong presence on Instagram, which is great. They post visuals, they've got a community focus, they do some behind the scenes content. They also connect with their community on Facebook as well. And they do some blog style content on their website. And it looks like they also do email marketing to nurture their leads as well. This helps us understand how they're attracting customers online. Knowing your competitors is vital, but the market is always changing. And that's why we've got to think about the future. In step 4, we're going to use Gemini to identify some emerging trends that are going to shape the boutique fitness market. This is where things get really exciting. Now, to make sure that we're not just copying competitors, but we're actually innovating, we need to understand the direction that the market is heading in. So let's ask Gemini about trends. What are the emerging trends in the boutique fitness studio market right now? Focus on customer preferences, technology, and innovation. Wow, look at all this amazing information that we have. Tons of stuff here. Gemini lists trends like hybrid fitness model, personalized workout plans, data-driven personalization, the focus on mindfulness and wellness, and then even the wearable technology integration. Very interesting insights that we have here. It even talks about VR technology included and bringing people to a virtual reality experience. Really interesting. Now, trends are great, but how do we make this practical for your business right now? In step 5, we're going to take all of these insights and get Gemini to give us a concrete website improvement plan for our fitness studio. This is where the rubber meets the road. Now for the really hands-on part. Let's see if we can use competitor insights to improve our own online presence and our own website. Let's say our fitness studio is bodytonicpilates.com. Okay, I'm going to bring up that website so we can see what it looks like. Great, so this is what it actually looks like today. Okay, this is our fitness studio for this example. We're going to ask Gemini for a website improvement plan based on the market research that we've gathered so far and the competitors as well. Now remember, Gemini helped us find the top 3 fitness boutiques in Seattle. So here we go. We've got SoulCycle, Shred, 415, and Orange Theory Fitness. We're going to use these in our prompt. So I'm going to grab the URLs for these 3 websites for our competitors so that we can use it in our prompt. All right, so I'm going to type in, my website is this, based on this and the competitor websites, as well as other data, what improvements can I make to my fitness studio website? And let's see what it comes up with. And just like that, Gemini quickly provides actionable recommendations for our website. Just look at the level of detail that it gives you here. It's pretty amazing. It says our website is functional, but it appears somewhat dated compared to the competitors. Modernizing the design with a more contemporary, clean, visually appealing look is really crucial for the success of the studio. And it also says that the class scheduling could be a little bit more user-friendly and could be more searchable, making it easier for our customers to book a class at the gym. Really valuable information right off the bat. Now we could actually use Gemini to mock up the image for us, but they're actually pulling the information from ImageFX. So I actually like to use ImageFX directly. So we're going to do that right now. First though, I'm going to copy and paste this description so that I can use it in the prompt. So I copied it onto my clipboard. Now we're going to go right into ImageFX and I'm going to say, create an image with this description. Perfect. Now we're going to click on create and see what it comes up with. I'm so curious. Wow, that looks pretty sleek actually. Big improvement from our current website, which, just so you remember, looks like this right now. Pretty dated, not that great. That looks way more modern, way more sleek. And just like that, we have a visual concept of how we can enhance our website just by using AI. And website improvements are just the beginning. Let's zoom out and see the big picture. In step 6, we're going to combine everything that we've learned into a powerful SWOT analysis. strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and our threats. This is where we bring it all together for a strategic overview. So here's the prompt that we're going to use. Conduct a SWOT analysis for, get our URL again, Body Pilates, in comparison to the competitive landscape you've identified, the marketing strategies and product offerings of competitors, the emerging market trends, and the website improvements recommendations. Focus on strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats based on all these market research insights. All right, let's see what it comes up with. And just like that, something that used to take hours or even days to do is done in seconds. Do you see how powerful this is? Gemini helps you combine all of that research into one strategic framework that you can start to take action on right away. So let's quickly recap why this Gemini market research hack is such a game changer for your small business. First of all, speed and efficiency. You can do something in minutes that it used to have to take days to do, including a whole website analysis and website mockup generation. Second of all, deeper insights. Gemini helps you uncover competitor weaknesses and hidden opportunities, and even things that you should improve on your website that you might otherwise miss. And third, competitive edge. Staying ahead of trends, understanding your competitors' strategies, and making sure that your online presence is optimized is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. And Gemini makes that super easy. And finally, it's cost effective. You get powerful market research and even website visualization insights without the hefty price tag. So are you ready to unlock your market potential and transform your website with Gemini AI? Try using these prompts for your own market research and your own website improvements today. And to make this even easier for you, I've even put together a free resource with the prompts from this video right in the description box below. Now, if you're just getting started with AI and you want a step-by-step guide on how to really start integrating this into your business, then watch this next video where I show you exactly how to do that.